Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a follow-up on that 490 that arrived. Double reduction motor, $7.50. I pulled the motor out, put a light bulb in it. Light bulb was missing. As you see, it is missing one of the nuts off the brush plate. The point being, this motor is up and running. And not just running, it's running absolutely perfectly. There is nothing wrong with this. I've done nothing to this yet, except 2 drops of oil, a shot of WD-40 to clean the brushes, and I put a light bulb in it. And as you see, it's running absolutely splendidly. Now, was that worth $7.50? Plus, I got the shell. Now, I cleaned the shell a bit with a toothbrush, just to get some of the junk off of it so I could look at it. But as you see, the shell itself is completely undamaged. It is intact, no problem with it at all. So I'll reassemble this, and I have a Marx 490 with a double reduction motor. Like I said, I bought it just for this motor. So I'm very likely going to take this shell and one of these motors made out of parts. And that'll give me 1 running locomotive plus the double reduction motor. I'll clean this up, add the nut to the brush plate. All I've done to this is 2 drops of oil, a shot of WD-40, and put a light bulb in it. Nothing else. As you see, this is running absolutely perfectly. It's quiet, it's smooth, it has a minimal amount of run time. It's quiet, it runs splendidly. There's no problem with this at all. As you can see, this looks virtually new. It's probably the first time it's been out of the shell since it left the factory. Where that went, I have no idea at all. But I wanted to do a quick video, quick follow-up video on this. As you see, $7.50. Was it worth it? You tell me. So I just want to do a quick follow-up video on this. Don't overlook the junk. If nothing else, you have a complete running 490 for $7.50 with a double reduction motor. Now, I've been looking for double reduction motors on eBay almost daily. And like I said, you will find these things advertised. This is exactly the same motor, except that you see this one does not have a light bulb in it, or a provision for a light bulb. So this is 60 bucks. This was $7.50. It's really difficult to beat this by anyone's standards, as you see. So I will get this lubed and tuned, cleaned, replace that nut on the brush plate. For now, I'll probably just drop it back in this 490 shell and run it for a bit. I'll do a follow-up when I put this back in the shell. We'll run it around and see what the result is. But as you can see, excuse me, this 490 motor, double reduction, is up and running with absolutely no problems at all. E-unit works, headlight works. It's in splendid condition, a minimum amount of run time. And it was $7.50. It's really difficult to beat that. So I've got to say it again. Don't overlook the junk. As always, you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.